morning grade 8. Let's go for 15.6 set which is based on circle with reference to area and circumference. You have already seen the formula of circumference and area of circle. Let us revise it once. So you know that circumference is also nothing but perimeter of the whole area, and it is given by 2 pi r. An area of circle is pi r square. These are the only two formulas which will be needed to solve this exercise. So let's go for first question. So first question says, radii of the circles are given below and find their areas. So first question from that first problem is radius is equal to 28 centimeter. This is given. So we have to find the area. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So pi's value can be taken as 3.14 or 22 by 7. But see that if these are multiples of 7, then it is better to take pi value as 22 by 7. Unless and until it is mentioned, take 3.14, you should always take it as 22 by 7. So pi I am writing 22 upon 7. Radius which is already given is 28. It is square. That means 28 into 28. Alright. So 7 ones are and 7 fours are. So what you have is 88. 22 into 4 is 88 into 28. So just multiply 28 into 88. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 becomes 22. Okay. Into same number will come because 8 is here. So 4, 2 and 2. Alright. So we have 4 over here, 6 over here, again 4 over here and 2 over here. So we got 2464 and unit it is area, so it is centimeter square. So you can write this as 2464. Either write centimeter square or you can write it as square centimeter. This is same as square centimeter. Both are same. I hope it is clear. Okay. Please pause the video and take it down, or you can solve yourself and cross check with the video. Let's go to the next problem. Now second question is 10.5 is the radius given. Instead of this they have given 10.5 centimeter. What is the unit? Please check. So again you have area of circle is nothing but pi r square. So that is 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Alright. So this can be written as 22 upon 7 into. I want to remove this point. So I can write 105 by 10. It is same as 10.5. See, 105 upon 10. If I write this upon 10, after one number point will be coming and it is same as 10.5. This I have done so as to make the calculations easy. This also I can write as 10.5 upon 10. I think it is clear up till here. Are you understanding what we have done? Now 105 and 7 are easily divisible. So 7 ones are and you have 7 ones are 735. So 15 sevens are, we know it is 105. So this is, sorry, not point. It should be 105 upon 10 which is 10.5. So what are we left with? We are left with 22 into 15 into 105 upon 10 into 10 is 100. You calculate this multiplication and whatever answer you are getting, after two numbers from your right hand side, you give point. Alright. So let us calculate this. First we will have 105 into 15, isn't it? So 15 5s are 75, 15 zeros are 0, 7, 15 1s are 15. So this is done. This multiply 22. Again 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 and 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Again it is 2. So same number will be repeated 0, 5, 1 and 3. Alright. So what you have at the end, what you are getting is, you have over here 0, 5, 6, isn't it? Then you have 3 plus 1, 4, and then you have 3. Now see what I am writing. This multiplication I got 34,650, but this is divided by 100. So after two numbers, point will come. So this is equal to 3, 4, 6, and then here would be point, okay, and 5. After 5, after point, at the end, whether you write 0 or you don't write 0, it doesn't matter. So only this much also you can keep, or you can write it as 346.50 or 346.5. Both are same. So 0.50, this is also correct. If you don't write, this is also right. So you have 5 and centimeter square. Okay, please be very careful with calculations. You need to do it very well. Okay, now third is 17.5. Let's do that even. So you have over here 17.5. Let us change. So we have over here now 22 upon 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. Okay. So that is as good as say. Similarly we will do into 175 upon 10 into 175 upon 10. So 7 ones are you can write, and you can write the 7 twos are 14, 3 remain, 25 are. Alright, so you have this is equal to what we are left with 22 into 25 into 175 the whole upon 100. 10 into 10 is 100. Just carry out the multiplication. Now look at the calculations. First I have done 175 into 25. 25 5s are 125, 12 carry over. 25 7s are 175 plus 12 gives out 187. So 7 over here, 18 carry over. 25 ones are 25 plus 18 will be 43. Now this is multiplied again by 22. Alright, so first by 2 I have multiplied. Same number is again there, so I have written same number over here. And at the end we get 96,250. So you have 96250 upon 100. So after two numbers point would come. So it is 962.50. This is also correct. Centimeter square. It is in centimeters. Or you can write 962.5 square centimeter. Both are correct. Got it? Be very confident about what you are doing. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you. Please stay home and stay safe.